I took off out of Middlesboro, Kentucky, airport 1 Alpha 6, took off on 10 out of Middlesboro. I spiraled up over sort of Walmart and then exited out to the east over the Cumberland Gap. This is a fun video in some nice winter weather. I hope you enjoy.
Alt lights. Electric don't have one. Rich. Time is 30. All right, heels on the floor. Full power. Low pressure. Charging. Airspeed's alive. Rotate at 50. Climb at 65.
You can see here I did a terrible job this day of tracking the runway center line as I was climbing out. I assume this area is the old center of Middlesboro. Here's Middlesboro downtown.
That was exciting. The door pop open on me. Starting to hear radio traffic. What's that? Middlesboro traffic, Cessna 704 Golf, Charlie 2500 circling over Walmart to climb Middlesboro. For the Yankees, enter North Base, 105. Northbound traffic for the Yankees is entered final for runway 5, northbound.
Lake Cumberland traffic, helicopter Kentucky 3, 10 miles north of the field, 2,400 southbound, going to be landing in the hospital, which is 2 miles north of the field. Cumberland traffic.
Middlesboro traffic, Cessna 724 Golf Charlie, exiting the crater right over the gap, 4,000 climbing, Middlesboro. I'm climbing at 70 and I'm still getting 600 feet per minute. So actually, I mean, the climb prop is actually kind of doing its job. As much as the low forward speed bugs me. And now we start following 58.
So I hope you enjoyed that video of my flight out of Middlesboro. Take flights every once in a while to stay current, go places you haven't been, try things you haven't, and never stop figuring stuff out. This is a soft launch of my Patreon. I have a tier where you get stuff early and then a higher tier where you get exclusive content. I'd love you to join me. Thanks.